This question is going to be very extremely simple, so it is going to be very easy to handle. Okay, system shows it will generate y0 when x0 is transmitted, and it will generate y1 when x1 is transmitted, and y2 the same way. And what they say is means, and what they ask also, during transmission how much error you will get, that means probability, availability of error, how much error basically you will get. Okay, so let me see one by one, or let us see one by one. The first one, you get p of y0 slash x. I'm just going one by one, okay, into p of x0. So we're just taking this y0 because y0 is getting with respect to x0. So automatically, what is this equal to? Because you should get y0 with respect to x0. So what is this? So y0 x0, you just see it is a 0.6, right? So 0.6 into what is the probability of x0? X0 probabilities are already given as 0.5, so I just take it as 0.5. So you know what is this answer. So no need to just find the answer, no problem. Okay, the next one, you want to just know p of y0 slash x1 and in respect to p of x1. So you know y0 with respect to x1. So y0 with respect to x1, what is this? Because listen here, in between y0 and x0, what is this? 0 is available, is it right? So automatically it will head 0 into p of x1 is, you know, that is 0.5, is it right? So it is 0.5. So automatically when you just compare means this is higher, is it right? This is higher, this is lower. Okay, so you can get a conclusion from 1 as well as 2. What is the conclusion? Means p of y0 slash x0 of with respect to p of x0, and it is greater than p of y0 slash x1 p of x1. Okay, the next you consider next one, p of. So this is a case 1, so I'm going for a case 2. What's the case 2 means? P of y1 slash x1. Okay, p of y1 slash x1 and with respect to p of x1. So automatically, you know, p of y1 x1. So you take a y1. Okay, this is a y1 x1. What is y1 x1? So in between we have 0.3. So x1 y1, it is 0.3, is it right? So 0.3. What is the probability of x1? X1 is probability of 0.5. It is 0.5. Next you consider p of y1 slash x0 and with the p of x0, like it's the previous one. So it is equal to y1 with x0. What is the y1 with the x0? X0 is here, is it right? So y1 x0 means you get 0.2 only. So it is 0.2 into, and then x0 is, what is the p of x0? It is 0.5. P of x0 is here, is it right? 0.5. So both p of x1 and p of x0 is 0.5. So when you consider 3 and 4, 3 is greater, is it right? So automatically you can check p of y1 with the x1 with respect to p of x1, and which is greater than p of y1 with respect to x0 and p of x0. This is case 2. So now we consider the case 3. So what is the case 3 represents? P of y2 slash x0 and with respect to p of x0, so which is equal to, what do you have? P of y2 slash x0, y2 with x0, it is 0.2, because you listen the line connecting between y2 and x0 is 0.2. So 0.2 into, we know that p of x0 is 0.5. okay, that's all. And then a p of y2, okay, so we just have to make it as x1. So p of y2 slash x1 into p of, already go for x1. So what is the line connecting between y2 and x1? So y2 and x1 is 0.7, is it right? So you get a 0.7, you know, p of x1 is 0.5. So from these two, what is their conclusion? P of y2 slash x1 with respect to p of x1, where that is greater than p of y2 slash x0 with respect to p of x0. So what it do means, you just consider this one, this is as a, okay, and this is as B, and this is as C. Okay, so what it do means, just go for the next one. You just add all the three. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, which if you just add means what you have. If you add all the thing means you will get the simple expression of, just get a simple expression of 0.6. Yes, I just come out of here. Yes, come 0.6 into 0.5. This is the higher, right? Okay, the next one 0. So among these two, this is higher, is it right? So plus 0.3 into 0.5, then plus among these two, this is higher, is it right? So plus 0.7 into 0.5. When you just compare these three, you will get a 0.5 as common. You get a 0.6 into 0.3 into 0.7, which is equal to 0.5 into, if you multiply these things, you will get a 1.6, which is equal to 0. So we want the probability, right? What is the probability? Total probability is 1. So minus, you have to get the probability of this. So 0.8 means automatically get the probability of 0.2 as the answer. Total probability minus what you get as the complete addition of all the probabilities one by one. So that you get an answer of 0.2. That is the answer, 0.2. Very simple. If you have any doubts, means just ask me. Okay. Thank you.